Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. It's that time of the year and strawberries are in season. And I've got some beautiful Irish strawberries here. So today I'm going to make a strawberry cheesecake for you. A no-bake strawberry cheesecake. This is really easy to make. So to start, I'm going to make the base and I'm using Digestive Biscuits. And I've just broken them up into a crumb, just like that. You can use a food processor or sometimes I just pop them into a freezer bag and I break them down with something heavy. So in here, I'm going to add in some butter, melted butter, and just give it a good mix. All right, that's perfect. Now we're going to get this into the tin. For my cheesecakes, I always use an 8-inch tin and I never grease it or line it with anything. What I do is I flip the bottom of the tin the other way around so you don't have that ridge that makes it really hard to get your cheesecake out. It's nice and smooth this way. So let's get the biscuit base into this now. And grab a spoon and just flatten it down. And that's lovely and smooth now. So what I'm going to do is get this into the fridge and I'm going to chill it for about half an hour. Now we're ready to make the cheesecake filling, and it's important to use full fat cream cheese. Sometimes I use a mix of cream cheese and mascarpone. So pop it into a large bowl and into this add in the icing sugar. I'm going to mix this now for about 1 minute. That's lovely and soft now. So into this, I'm going to add in 1 sachet of strawberry jelly crystals. This will give the cheesecake a lovely strawberry flavour. So pop that in there. And now I'm going to pour in double cream. And it's important before you start making your cheesecake that you have your cream and cream cheese all at room temperature. This smells lovely. You can actually smell the strawberry flavour from it. Alright, so we're going to mix this now till it's nice and thick, but just be careful not to overmix either. And that's the kind of consistency we're looking for. So into this, I'm going to add in some chopped up white chocolate. You could use chocolate chips either. And some chopped strawberries. And now let's fold these in. If you like cheesecakes, I've got lots of fabulous cheesecakes on my channel and page. Please check them out. I'm happy with that. Let's get it into the tin. So just get it all in there, and as you spoon it in, push it down and scrape out all of that mixture. Get a spoon and just level the top. And if you've got a spatula like this, this helps to smooth the top. Doesn't really matter because we'll be putting cream and strawberries on it anyway. This is ready for the fridge now. We need to chill it for about 6 hours or overnight, whichever suits you. The cheesecake is set and it's lovely and firm, so I'm going to show you how to get this out of the tin. So the first thing I do is I get a knife and I just go around the edge of the tin like that. And now release it at the side. And now remove it. Just like that. Pop this to one side and get a serving plate. The cheesecake should slide off this. Because I flipped the bottom around, I don't have that lip. That makes it really awkward for taking the cheesecake off. If it's a little bit stuck, just run a knife underneath it. At this stage you can just go around it with a knife and tidy up the edge. That's perfect. Now to decorate it, I'm just going to use some freshly whipped cream and I'm going to pipe some swirls on it. We'll just do some little swirls like that. Let's do about 8. Now in the centre I'm going to add some white chocolate. And that looks lovely. And now we're just going to pop a strawberry on each of the cream swirls like that. And there you have it, all done. A lovely way to decorate it with just fresh cream, strawberries and some grated white chocolate. Doesn't that look amazing? Alright, now I'm going to cut a slice so you can see how firm it is on the inside and how easy it is to cut. So we're just going to cut a slice here. A good tip is to dip your knife in some warm water, and this helps you get a nice clean slice. I also like to clean my knife before I cut each slice. Look at that slice of cheesecake, absolutely perfect, and I'm really happy with how it's set. And pop it on to a serving plate. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful piece of cheesecake. Nice and firm, a fantastic texture. All my cheesecakes are like this. This cheesecake is absolutely beautiful. There's a lovely flavour of strawberry from it, from the strawberry jelly crystals I put into it, and also from the fresh strawberries. It's set really well. I don't put gelatin in any of my cheesecakes. I do understand why people put it in. They're afraid a cheesecake won't set, but if you follow everything I've done in this video, you won't have any problems getting your cheesecake to set. Gelatin really does change the flavour and the texture of a cheesecake, and I don't like it in a cheesecake, so that's why I don't use it. Alright everyone, if you try out this recipe, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this strawberry cheesecake. I hope you try it out and enjoy it. See you all soon. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy.